Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track live, train and bus status on your iPhone. So make sure you will just download the Google Maps and I will just open it and make sure your location has been turned it on. And example, I will be just live in Lahore and I will be just hold it. I will just tab on it any of this place and I will be just tab on it simply this directions, and now you will see in the top you will see the your location, and I will be just tab on it like moving to Karachi, and I will just select the location. So when you just select the location, I will be just tab on it simply this train icon, and you will just have wait, and here you will see this is the public transport time and the status and the pickup time, and there is a duration when you just arrived, and you will be just reach to like 1 day and 11 hours on public transport. And there are many, you will see there are like connecting modes, and there are also like if you want to just buy the airplane ticket, and in the when you just fly on the plane, so you will be just in 1 hour 45 minutes you will be just reach to the your destination. So in this way you will just check your lift, train or bus status on your iPhone or your Android phone. So the method is same. You will just open the Google Map and just select your location and just simply tap on this uh, train icon. And if you want to just find like airplane, so you will be just tap on simply this airplane. So in this way you will just track your live, train status on iPhone. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for